Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video, ang ituturo ko naman sa inyo ay paano kunin ang integrals ng exponential functions. Now, remember, ang ating exponential function ay may apat na cases. Yung unang case natin is kapag ang base number natin is letter E raised to an exponent x. And then, ang second case naman natin is base E pa rin, pero naka-raise siya sa exponent other than x. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng E raised to 2x or pwedeng E raised to 3x minus 2. Then, yung pangatlong case natin is kapag ang base number natin is a constant number other than letter E. So, pwede siyang 2, 3, 4, and so on. Pero naka-raise siya sa exponent x. And then, yung pang-apat nating case is kapag ang constant natin is other than E, tapos naka-raise pa siya sa exponent other than x. So, pwedeng 2 raised to 3x or pwedeng 3 raised to 5x minus 2 and so on. Now, what are the other examples of these exponential functions? So, for our first case, of course, ang example lang yan is the integral of e raised to x with respect to x. Then, ang pangalawang case naman natin, ang pwede nating mga given dyan is the integral of e raised to 3x or e raised to 2x plus 3 with respect to x. Pangatlong case natin, ang pwede nating mga given dyan is the integral of 2 raised to x or the integral of 3 raised to x or the integral of 4 raised to x with respect to x. Kasi siya ay in the form of a raised to x. And then, pang-apat na case natin is a raised to u. So, ang mga given natin dyan ay possible. Pwedeng the integral of 2 raised to 4x or the integral of 3 raised to 5x minus 2 with respect to x. To answer the integral of this exponential function, ito yung ating mga rules. We have the integral rules for exponential function. Sa una nating case, the integral of e raised to x with respect to x is e raised to x plus c. So, ibig sabihin, kokopyahin lang natin yung e raised to x, then plus arbitrary constant. Then, yung second case natin, the integral of e raised to u with respect to u is equal to e raised to u plus c. Kung mapapansin natin, parang parehas lang sila ng sagot, pero sa actual solution ay merong konting difference itong second case natin. Yung pangatlong case natin, the integral of a raised to x with respect to x is a raised to x over ln a plus c. And then yung pang-apat nating case, the integral of a raised to u with respect to u is equal to au over ln a plus c. Again, dito sa dalawang to, parang similar sila, pero sa actual solution ay merong konting difference itong ating pang-apat na case. Sa susunod na video ay mag-start na tayong magsagot ng mga examples. Ito yung ating mga examples natin. Examples 1, 2, 3, and 4.